So you landed on this video because you heard that Nowsite has actually dropped the price. Well, you're right, and I'm gonna tell you all about it. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? It's Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur with six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, and including this one, of course. And look, let's just dive right in because this is awesome. If you haven't heard the news, Nowsite has dropped the price. Yes, they have slashed the price in half. And we are going to go right into it to show you exactly what we're talking about here. So, look at this. $47 a month now. $37 a month if you want to go annual. Let's really just break this down, okay? So, $47 a month plus a one-time $48 activation fee. And what that does is also gives you 60-minute website design meeting with the Nowsite Pro. Nowsite Pro is a new service they have added that, you know, if you're struggling with, you know, building your site or getting started or any of the features, then you'll have a pro person that will come through and actually, you know, help you out with that. Actually, even maybe go as far as to build the whole thing out for you. Okay. So now you can see with the $47 a month plan, look what you get. So you get the website builder, okay? Create unlimited landing pages or a full-fledged website in minutes. You also get SEO, your website optimized for high search engine ranking. You get email marketing. You can send up to 50,000 marketing emails per month. And of course you can add more if you have a big list or anything like that. But most of us, you know, don't, right? Because this is made for the newbie. This is made for the person just getting started. This is made for the person that knows that they need to be marketing, but don't have a clue of where to even start. Now you do. All up under one place. You have limitless CRM, you know, keep track of unlimited leads, prospects, and customers. Don't know if you know how huge that is, and if you don't, then go to some place like Salesforce to see how much they charge you for that. iOS and Android app, okay, you can manage your marketing anywhere, anytime. So all of the things that you create, like websites, email auto responders, your team section, all that, can be tracked right through your app, okay, and you can run your whole business from your phone once you get everything set up through the desktop, which I recommend because, I mean, who wants to build a website through the phone, right? So build it on the desktop and then absolutely use your phone to be able to, you know, be more efficient. All right. In-house marketing experts. You know, you can video conference with a Nowsite nerd to optimize your marketing. That's what we was talking about. And also they have live Zoom support, which is really unheard of, right? So why is that powerful? Because everything that we're dealing with is visually mainly. So if you have an issue, I'm almost positive it's going to be something that's going to be able to be explained better if it could be visually seen, spoken, and then fixed. But when you're sitting there, you know, trying to talk it through, like, okay, click this, click that, like, what's this, what's that, you know what I mean? And you can have a way different user experience. So to have an in-house expert or be able to call a live support on Zoom and give them your issues is huge. Okay, and you know, the team is there 7 days a week to answer all your questions. Okay, detailed analytics, you know, makes the right marketing decision with real-time analytics because you can track everything that's going on, see what's working, split test campaigns, you know, see which ones is actually being more effective than others, so forth and so on. So, you know, real huge, you know, for us because now we got this $47 a month price point. But look at over here. If you do the yearly, okay, then it saves 20% off. Okay, and that comes with free 60-minute website design. You don't have to pay the $40. Okay, so you're not paying the $40 activation fee, and you only pay $37 a month rather than $47 a month. And what that looks like is $444 billed to you annually. Okay, so how cool is that? Like, honestly, how cool is that? And you know, just to really, like I said, to really break it down and to show you just some of the features you get and how they're looking, you know, this is what you're pretty much getting in all wrapped up in one nice pretty bow up under one roof. Now, how cool is that? You know, where your website can be custom built the moment you sign up. Make changes anytime. No need for technical knowledge or just let our AI engine keep improving it over time because it's also attached to AI. Okay. How cool is that? Also, you got online ads, okay, and retargeting ads. You know, you have social media marketing because you're going to be able to post to your social media and it's going to be relevant to your niche. So every day, the AI engine will suggest relevant, professional social media content to engage your audience and keep them interested in your business. Again, How cool is that, right? The SEO, their proprietary algorithms will continuously optimize your website so you rank higher and higher in the Google searches, making it easier for your customers to find you. Awesome. Keep your business top of mind with a regular email newsletter generated automatically and optimized by AI. So you see the value, you see what you're getting. You also get a blog. Sister will recommend the most interesting articles, videos, quizzes, and more for your live blog. Effortlessly building your brand as an expert in your field. Could you use a service like this as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, as an inspiring artist, as a musician, as a model, all the above? Okay. You see the CRM I was telling you about? Manage your prospects, customers, and teammates in a simple, intuitive, fully integrated system. So now, you can see who came in, what list they came in from, segment them, make notes, say who you need to follow up with, who you already followed up with, what was the outcome of that follow-up, so forth and so on. Okay? See all your key marketing analytics, website, social media, online ads, email marketing, and more in one simple turnkey interface. That's the analytics section, because you'll be able to see just how many leads came in, just how many actually opened up your email or actually paid any type of attention to your social media posts, or if it came from Facebook, if it came from LinkedIn, so forth and so on. All right. So I'm going to ask you a question. Honestly, where are you getting this much value for $47 a month? Look at all this. Look, just go back down. Look at all this you get. Look at everything you get right here. Where would you get this amount of value for just $47 a month? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna wait. I want you to go look it up. Go Google. Go Google. You didn't find nothing, did you? Because it doesn't exist. There is nothing out there like this. This is a proprietary system, and there is no system that competes with it. Yeah, there's systems that can make landing pages. Yeah, there's systems that you can do your email marketing. Yeah, there's systems that you do your CRM. Yeah, you can take out ads through Facebook, Google, YouTube, and many other places. Yeah, you have all these different features, but guess what you don't have? Them all up under one umbrella. And you definitely don't have them under one umbrella for less than $50 a month. Not to mention that you can use it as an income opportunity as well. Not to mention that you can earn. Not to mention that you can be making over $20,000 a month, like I am with this potentially, for something that costs you $47 a month to maintain. Ooh, let that sink in. Wait a minute. I got a business that costs me less than $50 a month. Wait. Less than $500 a year to maintain this. Most people spend that on advertising just for a week worth of advertising. But here it is. I have a whole year to run my business now for less than $500. And I have the potential to make thousands of dollars in residual monthly. No brainer. Would you agree with me? All right. So I had to bring this to you guys today because it is huge, the fact that Nowsite has now dropped the price. And I feel like this is a sweet spot. This is just the spot that everyone can appreciate, everyone can afford. I don't want to hear no broke talk. Oh, the way my bank account's set up and my finances, like, nah, this ain't that, right? We was able to get a lot more for a lot less when we was kids. Remember, you used to walk into your parents' room. Hello, mama. I know you're sleeping. I want to know if I can get some lunch money. Can I get $5 for lunch? Your mama gave you $5 without a problem, right? There you go. You went and bought some Now Laters and some 25-cent juices, and you was able to do that all year round, every day. So now, as a grown person, I find it hard to believe that you can't come up with $47 a month, which is less than $1.50 a day. As a kid, you was able to get $5. So as an adult, you should be able to get $1.50. All right, all jokes aside, man, with that being said, if you like what you see, then hit the link below, getmoneyLikeAboss.com. You can get started with Nowsite today. Or if you got questions, hey, look, I'm the top earner in the company. I don't think there's any question you can ask me that I can't answer. So call me 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions that you have. All right, if you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. That way you get notified when I do these business as well, when I do these videos as well, okay? All right, with that being said, I appreciate you. I'm going to see you on that next video, right? Okay, for sure. See you on the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.